The DJI Mini 4 Pro is here, and this now has the exact same color profiles as the DJI Air 3. So you're going to want your footage to look brilliant, and it will do, because these are the only Mini 4 Pro LUTs you're ever going to need. So what actually is a LUT? Well, it stands for lookup table, and you know photos, you have presets and they will change the way that photo looks. Well, for videos like on the Mini 4 Pro, we have LUTs, and each one of these different LUTs is going to change the way that that original image looked. What's great about my LUTs is they are specially designed for the DJI Mini 4 Pro, so you don't have to do anything. You just literally drag these onto your clips and your footage will look so much better just from that one click. And they're available for the normal color profile on here, but also D-Log-M. It's a combination pack. You don't have to go out and buy anything else. So D-Log-M on here, this is a 10-bit color profile. It's the best you're going to be able to get out of this drone. But what is 10 bits? Well, the normal color profile on here, that is an 8-bit color profile. And what it does, it captures around about 16 million colors in every single one of your video clips. Whereas the 10-bit file on here, the D-Log-M, that captures 1 billion. So it's going to capture a lot more data. But the downside to that is, it's this flat color profile like this. And it is really difficult to color grade D-Log-M footage without messing it up. I spent years trying to learn how to color grade until I've got to this point now where I can share this with you in forms of LUTs. So I know a lot of you out there who want to get one of these drones and have no experience in color grading, and it takes so long to actually learn this, and also it's a time process as well. Doing this every single time, moving all the sliders, it takes ages. Whereas these LUTs speed that up, because all you do, you choose one of the LUTs you want to use, you get that, you drag it onto your clip, and that is it, it's done. And these have been designed to be as straightforward as possible as well. So you can pick any of these LUTs, drag it onto your clip, and you don't have to do anything with that intensity slider. They are all specially designed for this. Unlike others where you might have to tweak and move that slider around all the time because they're just too strong of an actually intensity, these are specially designed, literally drag and drop. And these LUTs work on the popular editors like Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, VN Studio, LumaFusion. I've tested these LUTs on all of these different apps and they all work fantastically. So once you've got them installed and it comes with an installation guide, I'm going to actually show you now an example. So I've got this clip here now. So this is a D-Log-M clip. So you can see it looks terrible. It's really flat, no contrast. And I'm going to actually now go and choose the universal LUT. So this is a fantastic LUT you can use pretty much on any style of video clip. I'm going to drag that onto this clip and that is it, that's done. So these are specially designed for D-Log-M on this drone, so you don't have to do anything else. If you want to, you can tweak it a little bit more, but I've designed these so they are so straightforward, you don't really have to do any tweaking whatsoever. And I'll show you probably my favorite one. This is called the Rebirth LUT. So you can see this really nice clip. So it's in the forest with a lake, lots of trees, lots of detail. The 10-bit color profile has captured everything, but for the starting point, it looks terrible, really flat, no color. So I'm going to drag on that Rebirth LUT onto this clip and just look at that difference. So it actually protects the shadows whilst adding contrast. It also adds quite a lot of blues to that scene, so you get this really nice teal look to it. And you can use these LUTs on lots of different clips. So here again, the same LUT, the Rebirth LUT, it's a beach shot, middle of the daytime, so lots of light coming in. That looks terrible to start with. I'll drag that on and now look at it. So lots of contrast, but also this detail is still there and you've got nice colors of that sea. It looks fantastic. But aside from those 12 D-Log-M LUTs that you can choose from, you also get 14 normal color profile LUTs. So you can go into a normal color profile shot like this. So it already has quite a lot of color and contrast in there. And any of these now normal color profile LUTs will change them as well and make them look much better. But I've got one step more as well. So I've also included a transform LUT. So what is that? So if you get a D-Log-M clip, so this really flat clip, you can drag the transform LUT onto it and it will then convert that into a normal color profile LUT. So in a nutshell, what that means is you could get, for instance, this shot here, which is a D-Log M clip. You can transform that now into a normal color profile clip just from dragging that on. And then you can go onto the normal color profile LUTs and you can add them as well. So you can stack them. So I've given you so many different choices and options from this combination pack. So these LUTs are incredible. I completely stand by that. I use these all the time on my Mini 4 Pro footage because they just save me so much time. I don't have to do any color grading. I can just use these, and they're going to save you so much time as well because you don't have to learn this. There's also 20% off right now as a launch offer. They're on my website, dmprovisuals.com. You can go there, you can play with the sliders, look at the befores and afters. And if you want to buy these, it's an instant download. You get them sent to your email. So thanks so much for watching this. I hope you love these. If you buy any of these and use them for your footage and you upload to, say, Instagram Reels, make sure you tag me. I can't wait to see the work. So thanks for watching this again, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.